looking at it.
What's up, you guys? It's Bryson. As y'all can see by that title, I'm back with another prank, and I got this feeling maybe I should do a prank on my uncle since he is upstairs listening to music or whatever. So I found this trick on YouTube. It is the water bottle trick prank. Now, if you don't know what this prank is, it's kind of simple. All you need is a water bottle and different objects of your own. So the way this prank goes is you get some objects in the water bottle. You're just gonna be like, any of your family members, you're gonna tell them, oh, hey, I found this trick on YouTube. I've really been practicing a lot. I think I have it now. I think I should do it now. So I decided to do it on my uncle, y'all. Let's get straight into the video. So, Uncle, I want to show you this cool magic trick that I've seen on YouTube. I've been practicing it a lot, and I think I have it now. So basically, I have a water bottle, and what I want you to do with this water bottle, I'm gonna it's already closed. I'm gonna shake it for 5 seconds. All right. Now, I'm going to open the bottle slowly. Now, I want you to think of your favorite country.
Okay.
Okay. Think of it first, and then say it.
Okay. Venezuela.
Now, I have a coin here. And what I'm about to do with this coin, put it in here. So now you got the coin in here. I want you to think of like one of your wishes that you want to come true. And say it in the bottle.
Okay.
Close the bottle. Drink it for 3 seconds. Okay. Now, I want you to do the shoe and the orange and the Dougie, both in one sequence.
Okay.
Alright. Now, I'm going to think of my favorite country and whisper it in here. And shake it up for 5 seconds. Now, gonna open it. Now, the magic trick said that the person that you're doing this trick on has to look inside the water bottle and kind of like remember all of the stuff that they said, and it will come true.
Okay.
So look inside of the water bottle. And the person who's doing the magic trick, they have to like hold it. Okay?
Wait, what?
They have to hold it.
Who have to hold what?
It's a part of the magic trick. It's part of the magic trick. Just do it.
So who have to hold what?
I have to hold this.
Why do you have to hold that?
Because that's what the magic trick said. Just put your...
Well, just know if any water splashes on me, I'm throwing this water bottle at you. Okay?
Alright.
Okay.
I'm gonna... You gotta do it with your eyes.
Okay.
Come on.
What?
Uncle, what are you doing?
I'm looking at it.
Damien, why would you do that? Now you finna clean all this up. Look at the refrigerator.
How you feel about that awesome prank?
That was funny.
All right, when y'all get a mop, clean all this stuff up. Look at this. And the Pope penny right there.
Y'all thought this was actually not gonna work, but it did successfully. It's so surprising.
Get the mop.
Y'all wanna know something? I dropped my wallet in the toilet the other morning.
Oh, wow.
It just came out. Okay.
All right, Bryce.
Well, guys, that's the end of this successful video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell so you know when I'm about to do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I gotta get that mop.
The mop is not in there.